Guess what? I'm pregnant. I'm so happy and so excited. And it doesn't sound like it, but I don't want Stefan to hear me because I'm about to tell him. And oh my gosh, he's gonna be so happy. It's been a journey, but this is unexpected news. He for sure doesn't know. And I'm gonna tell him because today is actually Kobe's birthday. He's 1 year old today, and I bought him a bunch of presents. And so I'm gonna give Kobe his presents, and then I'm gonna give Stefan a present of his own, and then I'm gonna show him this. All right. Oh, isn't that fun? That's your first toy.
I'll give you the next one. Second toy. Oh, he just drops the other one. Well, look how very spoiled dog.
Well, happy birthday, Kobe. And he wanted Daddy to have one gift too.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
Yeah. Oh, he thinks it's for him though.
This is sweet. Oh, wow. Are you pregnant? Oh my god, really? Oh my gosh, seriously?
Seriously.
Oh my gosh. So amazing.
I'm experiencing the biggest surprise of my life. So I'm just 1 day late and I decided to test and it's positive. Oh my gosh, it's just hard to believe because I'm not expecting it at all because I thought I'd have to wait like another 3 months and wow. This is like the best surprise ever. I'm gonna go tell Stefan right now. I'm not even gonna hold it. I'm gonna go tell him right now. Dave!
What?
What?
What? No.
Yeah, look, I did
No.
too!
What?
Yeah!
Seriously?
Yeah!
No way. Wow. Oh my god.